Jamaica, come here. Come here, may I reason about something because sometimes I don't really understand. You know, sometimes I try to understand but you know, it don't make no sense. Alright? Jamaica, my homeland. Now, after this girl come on international TV, come hype her way. Zane, after she come style way. You get me what I say? After she come style with people, with girls them, you know, with an international stage where rock for way. You don't have the audacity, but you not invite the girl come here. Come here. If you invite her, I talk about you now. You now extend olive branch. Come here from Olive Jamaica, I don't see an olive tree. Some of them know when they get an olive branch come from extend. Now you now confuse me. I know when I'm frightened for foreigner or so. I know when I'm very frightened. Sometimes I can't help it. When I'm very frightened, it is what it is. When I'm frightened for America and so. But I'm not frightened. You get me I say? I don't know give the little girl. When they give Shaquilla, Shackleberry Finn, the angle. For post throwback and say, oh, been there, done that. Uno not ashamed? No, between me and Uno. Uno not have no shame, none. Uno feel ashamed, I not lie. Anybody who extended that thing to, and Uno tell me nothing but peacemakers and peacemakers and peacemakers. We're peacemakers, of course, but now when people are style with. Now when people are trying to show up on international stage, no, not a backside. So, I don't know, I'm upset, I'm disappointed, you know what I mean? But I say, I'm not take it back, I'm not too enough. I'm not too enough, I want to give people the angle and the style with. Shaquilla, it was a mistake, it was a typo, whenever you would want to invite here. I help defend my country, but now, I want to stay down a lane sometime and I shut up on the mouth, I'm not lying. But to not extend olive branch like on the ear, so we extenders down here. We're not extenders, we're trying to make it in life. Jamaica is rough, we don't need anybody to come to us. We have other tourists can invite. I invite she. I invite she. You hear? Adam Stewart is the president of Invitation Team Hotel. You hear me invite the girl? So now